welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Money here and I'm back with another freaking video. I'm going to be showing y'all my calming nighttime routine. Honestly feel like in order to have a good day, it needs to start at the previous night. So the night before, I always make sure I do my self-care. I don't care if I come home at 4 in the morning, you can bet I'm doing my nighttime self-care routine, because I feel like when I don't, I am neglecting myself. I'm neglecting my self-care. And on this level up journey that we're all on, we are not neglecting our self-care. Okay, let's go ahead and get into this video. I want to first say that this video is sponsored by Tress Wellness, so thank you guys over there for sponsoring this video. With the panini going on and everything, a lot of people don't feel comfortable going out and like getting there every day. You know, as women, self-care treatment, we gotta pay for a lot. There's a lot of things that we gotta do: nails, hair, eyebrows, waxing, all that stuff. Tress Wellness sent me this amazing wax kit, and y'all, it literally comes with everything. I'm gonna do an unboxing, but I wanted to show you the box. It's a complete waxing kit. You literally have everything at your fingertips as far as like staying hair free, and just like, it's something about being hair free and just having my nails and hair done. I just feel so good. I just feel so empowered. I'm actually going to show you guys how I am going to wax myself. So here is the warmer. I already used this because I wanted to test it out. So there's some wax in it already, but it's dried up. So we're going to do the process over. There's different flavors of the wax. So you have the eucalyptus. Eucalyptus. How do y'all say this word? This word. How do you say this word? A eucalyptus? I don't know. Lavender. Lemon. Peppermint. I think that's it. Oh, and there was the one that I used for the one that I tested out. Whichever scent you like the best, you just use it, and it smells so good. Like when I tested this out, it smells so good, and I was just like, oh my god, like, can I just eat it? I'm just gonna pluck up the warmer. So also in the box we have the gloves, the before and after spray, the things to pick up the wax with. I wish I would have known about this company much sooner, because I spent so much money on laser hair removal. It was worth the money, but like just having a waxing kit at my fingertips where I can just go and wax myself whenever and wherever, like, I'm not gonna lie, sometimes I still be getting hairs up here, so I probably will use that. We'll use this for that. So we're gonna do my chin, and I think I want to do my top, the top of my lip. So wish me luck. All right, I'm gonna spray my chin. Scared, y'all. This feels weird, but like a good weird. I'm nervous, but I'm also confident since I tried it before. Like, I really wanted to make sure I like knew what I was doing. So like I actually filmed, like I did this and I filmed another video, but I didn't like how it looked. So yeah, 1, 2, 3. I got some hairs. Hold on. You can't really see. But I want to do another one. This is so fun. I want to do another one. I don't know if I'm doing this right, but it feels right, so. Oh yeah, the gloves came in. The gloves, not the globes. The gloves, not the globes. The gloves, the gloves, the gloves, the gloves. The gloves came in handy because I probably have this all on my hand. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay. It wasn't that much because I think I got it all. But yeah, it's not bad at all, y'all. It's literally not bad at all. So there you have it. Complete waxing kit by Tress Wellness. Thank you guys for sponsoring me and sending me this. I know this video took me a little bit longer to do because, like I said, I literally recorded this video already and I didn't like it. So I was like, okay, we gotta redo this. Thank you to Chilo for reaching out to me and staying on me about doing this video, because I know it's like a long time coming. Make sure y'all go and get you a kit, especially because I stopped my laser appointments. I'm actually gonna be like waxing my whole body, and it doesn't even hurt that bad. Like, that's the best thing, it doesn't hurt that bad. The wax smells good, it's easy to do, easy to use. They give you everything in the kit, and guess what, I have a discount code for y'all that want to purchase this, and the link will be in my bio, so make sure y'all go purchase. But outside of that, one of the first things that I do when I come home is I take a, what is this, makeup remover wipe. Yeah, I take a makeup remover wipe and I wipe my face. This is actually the second step. First step is always washing my hands, and I already washed my hands, but yeah. And then after that, this has worked miracles on me. This oil-free acne wash facial cleaner has been the GOAT for me. For a long time, I did not know what to put on my face. My face would break out. I didn't know what to do. But one day I was like, why not? Let me just try this. And I tried it and it worked, and I just kept being consistent with it. So this is the bottle, but as you can see, I used a lot of it already. I'm at the bottom. So then I just wash my face with it. So let me go and wash my face. Alright, so I have a fresh face, as you can see. Can y'all see? Ooh, that thing is fresh. So after I wash my face, I let it air dry, and while I'm letting my face air dry, I brush my teeth. After I brush my teeth, I then go in with Witch Hazel. This Witch Hazel has been like life-changing as well. These two products mixed together for my skin has been a miracle. Okay, it's something that something came out, something came through, and that's all that matters. It's so calm, so fresh, so clean. Oh yeah, I got in the shower before this video. When you look and feel good, you do good. I like that. I like that. When you look and feel good. Okay, when you look good, you feel good. But if you look good and feel good, you do good. Nah, that's facts though. That's facts. Normally after I wipe my face with toner, that's pretty much it for my nighttime routine. For my face and my skin. But sometimes I will go in with this skin oil, and I'll just put like literally a mustard seed of skin oil. This has really helped me out as well. Gives my face a little bit of oil, but again, because I have these lashes, I'm not putting nothing on my face. One thing that I've been doing that has been a life changer is putting African shea butter on my body every single night before bed. I like to put this on my lips, I like to put this on my elbows, I like to put this on my feet, I like to put it on my legs. Alright, so I put my I put my shea butter all up and down my body. So I'm feeling good, living great. That is normally all it is to my skincare routine. But let me tell you something. When I do my skincare in depth like that the night before, when I wake up the next morning, I feel so good and so just like luscious and just like yes. So I really want to recommend you coming up with every single day skincare nighttime routine, because your body and your mental will appreciate it. And again, if you look good, you feel good. But if you look good and feel good, you do good. Ladies and gentlemen, our self-care comes first. And that is all I have for this video. I hope y'all appreciate it. My little nighttime routine. Make sure y'all subscribe, like, comment, follow my Instagram at @DeMoniCollins. My energy is low in this video, but I'm really tired. I did so much today, I had to pack, but yeah. So yeah, make sure y'all subscribe, like, comment, all that stuff, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye guys.